You kept thinking about like United next year as a rebuild. You've only got 3 players out of contract at the end of it, so you still have largely the same squad, and no one's
Yeah.
going to buy these United players. Like, I'm,
I
I mean,
wouldn't say that because I mean Rashford, for example, he probably will get sold as long as he puts on a decent performance at Villa. There'll be teams waiting in to buy him.
I
Anthony,
don't think. Well, he hasn't done two. He hasn't done so far. One start, he was invisible. He was invisible last night. He gave away the ball.
I don't think he was.
I don't
He
think
had poor. His touches were poor. He just looked rusty. I guess he looked. He didn't look match sharp,
I
right?
think it was decent.
Rashford last night is this.
Yeah.
He was okay. He got tired.
Yeah,
He tired badly second half.
Yeah, but I mean that's a given. You haven't played for months.